What's up, y'all? What you gotta say? Who's on the video with MakeupShae? What is good? What is going on, my YouTube fam? Welcome back to MakeupShae. I'm your girl Shay. Of course. How you doing? If this is your first time liking, commenting, sharing anything on my channel, y'all,
what's going on? Y'all are going to jail. Period. What?
Nah, but for real though, make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe on my video. If this is your first time, we would love to have you, so just make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that post notification bell that's right next to the subscribe button, and tap it to all so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a new video. Okay, so if y'all are my returning OGs, what it do, cuz? What's up? Thank y'all for coming back. Love you so much. Today's video is an unboxing, and we are unboxing my Boxycharm for the month of March. My bad. For the month of March, duh. So if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm box, make sure you stay tuned. I love you guys. See you in the next clip. Bye. Alright, so we about to open her up and see what we got. Maybe we could create a look with it today, maybe not. I don't know, because I don't know what's inside. The only thing I know what's inside is my Glow Recipe banana something moisturizer. So yeah, we about to open her up and see together. So if y'all don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription. It deals with hair care, skin care, nail care, any kind of care that's got to do with the face. Boxycharm is all about that. And for the Luxe and other boxes, they be having a whole bunch of other stuff, like I don't even know. But the one I got is base box. So this is March base box for 2021, and it is $25 a month. It used to be $21, but it is now $25 plus tax. So y'all will be paying for tax. It's like $1 something. So altogether I paid like $26 and some change a month for this box for 5 to 6 full-size brand items. They could be indie brands, high-end brands, whatever the case may be. They also have a Luxe box, which is $35. I mean a premium box, which is $35, and a Luxe box, which is $50 a month, if I'm not mistaken. I will have all the information down below in my description box. Whew. As well as all my Boxycharm spoiler updates and all that playlist up here in the cards or down below. I have a link to Boxycharm. I don't get no money off of it. All I do get is charm points that I can use in my charm room for using to get free items. So you help me, I help you. Scratch your back, scratch my back. Okay? Okay. So anyway, let's get into this box because I've been rambling way too long. Okay, so first thing first, we are pulling out the card, and this month's Boxy base box for the month of March is called Lucky, and I got variation. They really don't have regular variation numbers anymore, but I'm not even gonna repeat it. I'm just gonna put my variation down below just in case you're interested, as well as the products that I have in my box. I will have separate links to all the items down below in my description box, as well as pricing. Okay, so first thing that I am pulling out is my choice item. This is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. This is calming and hydrating. The packaging looks like this, and it says a soothing lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. Oops, it has got a label on it. It says without clogging pores. It's non-comedogenic and acnegenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and sea. It's your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin. So this is what that looks like, and it is $39, and it has a top on it. Ooh, it smells like bananas. Y'all know one of my favorite scents is banana. I love the smell of banana, like banana. I don't, it just gets me every time. It's beautiful. Okay, I can't try it on because I already have moisturizer and all that on my face. If you can't already tell, I'm glowing. So it ain't the baby, it's the moisturizer. Okay, so the next item that we have is, this is wet brush cleaning system with silicone scrubbing pad. This is from the brand Lavish. So this is $15. This is the wet brush cleaning system. It says a conveniently brush cleaning system to quickly and easily remove makeup residue from cosmetic brushes. A textured silicone pad stored nicely inside of the container. And again, this is from the brand Lavish. So we have the scrubby pad right here, and we have the soap right here. All you have to do is, what you have to do, it's wrapped up in plastic. So all you have to do is take the plastic off and wash your brushes, swivel your brushes in here, and then scrub it with the little scrubby pad. So normally I use Dawn, or that's it. I just use Dawn, or I used to use this oat soap, but I ran out. So it says wet brush with water, swirl brush on soap to create a lather, sweep brush back and forth on silicone pad to remove makeup, rinse brush with water, allow the brush to air dry, drain any excess water from the container, and then close the container. So like I said, this retails for $15. This is very good because sis got a whole bunch of brushes she got to clean. So you know, I'm gonna do that after I film my next video, which is coming up after this one. So yeah, that was $15. Okay, so the next item that we have up is, I don't know if you see my spoilers for the month of March, but I will have it up in the cards, like I said, in case you are interested if you didn't get it, or you're just curious to know what the choice items was. So this one is the 111 Skin from Harley Street, London. This is the Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. The packaging looks like this. It feels really nice. This feels expensive, and it is expensive. This is $140, y'all. $140. So we have this for $140 from 111 Skin. It says the contour gel is a peptide packed treatment gel specifically developed to focus on deep set lines and wrinkles due to loss of elasticity around the eyes and the lips. So this is almost like Botox, y'all, it sounds like. And it says massage a pea-sized amount in small circular motions onto expression lines, nasal labial folds, and crow's feet. Use daily in combination with 111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Serum. But that is it. It has 15 milliliters, 0.5 fluid ounces for $140. And it has this kind of thing that you just put it in a circular motion. Cause look at that, I need to get rid of that. I know y'all see that right there, and my smile lines, even though I don't smile that much, so I don't know, but it'll come in handy. We shall see. Okay, so next item up we have, I don't know if I should keep the packaging, or I'm gonna keep the packaging. Okay, so next up we have is this is the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. It is a makeup setting spray. The packaging looks like this. And it says, set your intentions and your makeup with this oral lifting, antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. And it says, mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. So this retails for $22. And I never heard of Maven Beauty, but I've seen a lot of people on YouTube do some reviews on these, and one of them said that they were very, very good. I can't remember who, but matter of fact, it was Glam with Suzanne. Hey Glam with Suzanne, if you're watching. But she said that she highly recommends this. This was very good for her, and it did last. Okay, so if I did not say, that retailed for $22. I want to see if it has that rose scent. Let me see. The mister is good, and it smells like roses, but it's not overpowering rose, you know. But yeah, that was that. And I think this is our last item out the box. It says this is Cab lip oil. It looks like this. and the letters are holographic. It says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and say hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable juicy lips all day long. And I have the red one. This retails for $20. And it says this shade is called Rum Punch, and it has 0.2 ounces in the container. So let me apply this really quickly. What's up?
Here's my writing.
Okay, I'll look at it in a minute.
Okay.
Okay, I like this. I like this a lot. This does not remind me of a lip oil. It reminds me of a lip gloss. It's comfortable. It's not too oily. It has a thick texture. I like it. Let me wipe it off because I do have lip gloss on. So I'm gonna wipe it off. Give me a second. I'll get it too. Let me try it again just to make sure. Okay. Yep, it has a thick, okay, as it's thick, okay, it ain't like regular lip oils. I like this a lot. If I didn't say, it retails for $20. It smells really, really good. I got some coconut in there. Yeah, so I would highly recommend this. I like it. So let me go into my review and my thoughts on the box. Okay, so overall, sorry if y'all hear noise in the background, but overall I do like the box today. Even though it's mostly skincare, lip care, it didn't have really much makeup. It didn't have makeup at all. So, but it's okay. I mean, it's alright. We just had to review it. So I liked everything. Altogether, my box retailed for $236. I only paid $26 and some change for it. So win-win. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So yeah, that was all the items that I got from Boxycharm. I'm not giving none of this stuff away. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry, so sorry, so sorry. But I liked it, everything in the box. So I don't plan on giving it away. So yeah, I liked it. I will give it a 5-star this month. So good job, Boxycharm. Good job. So like I said, if you're interested in getting Boxycharm, the link will be down below in my description box for you to purchase. Okay, so without further ado, this is the end of the video. I love you guys. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Share the video with your friends. Let them know about Boxycharm. Get your hands on a Boxycharm, okay? I don't care which one it is. Just get your hands on one, especially if you're looking to build up your makeup collection. So I love you guys. Stay tuned for the next video.